I'm going to flood the puppet's house. Ha 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 ha. Great! I gotta get out! I gotta get out before I die! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! That's fun! Yeah, that's my son! No! Boy, I check him. Oh my God, Snipe Puppet! It's so in big trouble! I'm gonna get him! Oh no, my bag is flooding! My other bag is flooding! Oh no! It's so good that our first puppet house is not flooded. But oh my God, my bag! Oh my God, Knife Puppet! Oh my God, son, Knife Puppet! I heard the puppet house! I'm gonna get him! Hey, I'll come down! Open the door, okay! Knife Puppet is, yeah, I know it! Whoa! Knife Puppet! How dare you flood the puppet's house? And it's still good. Our first puppet house is not flooded. Knife Puppet! How dare you flood the puppet's house? How dare you look at the street? You flooded the street. And it was hurt on my bone. He flooded the city. Knife Puppet! I cannot believe you flood the city. That's it. You're grounded for the rest of your life. And everyone started to get very angry. Now go to bed.